Hi everyone. Center for Educational Initiatives and Research, CIR Global Trust, is a forum of educational experts and scholars aiming to nourish the talents of education and educational sector in totality across the globes. We started on the offline years back, but now we became more energetic and active when this pandemic crept in. And we thought this is where we give a learning to all the educational stakeholders that you can connect during pandemic in a more effective way than in the offline. CIR is powered by Veda Handwriting Lab, and its founder director of CIR is Dr. Sreesan Gopinath. We have 6 board of directors, supported by our Middle East 8 directors. Then we have our zonal directors all across India who were hand-holding together to bring out the success of CIR, which the CIR is speaking of today. And with loud noise, we can say we have done something and we have lived up to what we said in the beginning. Our new initiative is the CIR newsletter. This newsletter will be bringing to you on the growth of CIR, the activities of the current month, and also the knowledge sharing and articles put forward by the members of the CIR. I'm sure this will be a unique step to this news reaching to you all. I, Dr. Deepa Chandran, Principal of Sri Sharda Vidyalaya and one of the board of directors of CIR, is so happy to present before you this CIR's newsletter for this month. But as this is the first edition, we will be bringing to you in a nutshell what we have done. We had NAP quiz series, which was led by Dr. Suresh Nair, followed by NAP Masterclass series, where we had 8 personalities speaking on different topics. We had divided the total NAP into 8 topics. The first one was dealt by Dr. Swati Popat, Mr. Rajiv Kumar Garg, Ms. Srividya Mauli, Ms. Revati Srinivasan, Mrs. Vasanthi Tyagarajan, Ms. Madhulika Buppetkar, Dr. Vijayam Ravi, Mr. Anil Swaroop IAS. I would like to remind all of you that please go through our app, download our app. You will receive the soft copies of the content of what these resource persons have been rendering the training to all of us. And also in the YouTube link, if you go back, you will be able to hear them, and that will be a rich treasure for all those who access to that link. So first one was mainly on the foundational and literacy and numeracy, that is the early childhood education, where she stressed on the importance of creative, a teacher to be creative in the class, playway method, the right brain and left brain. And all of you know that this webinar would have enlightened you with the fact that how important is the early child care and education is. So let's welcome Tiny Tots to our school at the age of 3 to enrich them to make their brain active and the holistic development. In this edition, we have an article written by Sanjay Kumar Malik, our zonal director, who stresses on stress during board examinations and how to handle it. He emphasizes on why do students feel stressed during board examinations, how this stress can be controlled, and how this stress can be made into a very strong point, and how this parental pressure, peer pressure, and teacher encouragement all can be tackled at a very wonderful level, and also to create a study plan, celebrate achievement, and how to be focused. I'm sure this will help even teachers, parents, students to deal with the situation. Even though we know that the 10th standard board exams are cancelled, but 12th standard, still now the decision has not come. So read to the Dr. Sanjay Kumar Malik's, a psychologist, principal and motivational speaker. And just read through. Stress cannot be avoided, but it can be managed well. We have the school's best practices. This time, this school's best practice is being shared by Navajeevan Bedani Vidyalaya, which is from Kerala, and it is headed by Mrs. Shahana Ranjit. She is the Zonal Director of CIR from Kerala region. Navajeevan Bedani Vidyalaya is best practice, one of the best practices they have installed. A Navajeevan Inspiration of the Year award for a person who is becoming a motivation for Bedanians and who has done an inspiring activity. They started in the year 2017, and that year that award has gone to Dr. M.R. Rajagopal. He is a Padma Shri honored person, and he is called as the father of Pallium India, who deals with the patients who are at the terminal stage of their life. They have formed a club inspired by him, and that club students go to the people, those who are at the later stages of their life, and give them solace. That is itself is an inspiration for all of us to adopt. In 2018, 2019, in the field of sports, in the field of organ donation, whoever have excelled, and from the environmental category. So every year they had selected the people who have inspired the students by their contribution to the society. That was the best practice put forward by Navajeevan Bedani Vidyalaya. Hope this article also in the soft copy, which you can get it on our app, will be the one which every school can adopt in their scenarios in the schools. Now we have another article called Prioritizing Emotional Well-Being. Little children are missing their teachers, friends, and healthy classroom discussions, aren't we? So here is an article from our own Manila ma'am, who is the CIR Zonal Director from Karnataka. She has stressed, the emotional well-being of every student has to be taken care. So in this article, Principal of DPS Bangalore East, Madam Manila Carvalho, she's a Zonal Director of CIR Karnataka. She stresses that we have to take care of the emotional well-being, and children should be given that emotional support. So constant contact between the parent, teacher and student, and helping other and lifting others to make them stabilize is especially the need of the hour. I'm sure this will also be a takeaway for every reader. CIR is coming with another opportunity for the schools, so please grab this opportunity, and that opportunity is the School Awards, the Mark of Excellence Award 2021, that is Rewarding Excellence in Education. So nominate your school for this award and make sure that you get prepared and nominate your school, and contact in www.ceirglobal.com. This editorial board of CIR is very strong, with people on board as Mrs. Shahana Ranjit, Kerala South Region Zonal Director, Mrs. Kajal, Zonal Director of Nasik Region, Mrs. Rita, the Jaipur Region, Manchimanda Vindhya Ma'am, she is from Mussoorie Region, Dr. Rupali Ma'am from CER Nagpur, Dr. Richa from Bhadra Region, Mrs. Pallavi Sharma from Delhi Region, we have Sarit Ghosh Sir from CIR Lucknow Region, Mrs. Sharmila Soman, Chennai Region, Mr. Rajiv Chauhan, CIR Muscat Region, Sheila Balamurli Ma'am from Coimbatore Region. And of course, a special mention to Priya Murli Ma'am, who is helping us to have the proofreading for CIR newsletter. We believe that women is very strong enough and a multitask people. So Women Power CIR Global celebrated the International Women's Day on 8th March, and we are women who coordinate all across India and in the globe the CIR activities. We are proud of you. As all of you know that CIR is powered by Veda Handwriting Lab, and Veda Handwriting Lab has some unique programs for all of you. So be a professional handwriting trainer and earn regular income during this pandemic. You can train the people in your locality, people, those who need to improve, train their handwriting and make it good. So adding an additional skill as a certified handwriting trainer is not a good offer for all of you. Yes, be a professional handwriting trainer for students, and the teachers can even earn out of this a regular income, and even during this pandemic they can create a difference in the handwriting of the people around them. So Veda Handwriting Lab has come with a Veda handwriting kit, and we have programs for that. Please enroll for that. And Handwriting Lab has a Campus Connect proposal where we have a school tie-up where we have 100% assured handwriting development. I would like to clear to all of you, there is no bad handwriting or good handwriting. There is only trained and untrained handwriting. So systematically daily training through CAR application will give you 100% result. So focus on speed writing and lifelong access to CAR app. For more details, you can be with www.vedahandwritingkit.com, info@vedaeducation.com. So the one-stop solution for all handwriting issues is Handwriting Lab. We thank you for being with us, and also a big thanks to Dr. Sreesan Gopinath and his team for giving the technical support, and Dr. Sreesan Gopinath as one of the directors for giving us everyday support and motivating each and every member to be a part of the CAR in a very effective way. Thank you. Signing off for this edition. We'll meet you in the next edition of the newsletter.